now. Hello.
I'm sorry. Yeah, I'm sorry for my poor connection. You know, in Pakistan, we are facing lots of trouble regarding internet connection.
Oh no.
Yeah, and apart from this, nowadays rainy season is going on in Pakistan, so atmosphere is very bad. So it also affects on internet.
Oh, and do you get lots of rain and wind during monsoon?
Yeah, only rains. There is no wind in monsoon. Only it is raining every day. It is heavily
Oh,
raining.
okay. And why is there no wind?
Actually, it is a seasonal effect. In the mid of summer, and there are lots of winds and heavy rain as well. But in monsoon, I think it's natural and it's effect of our
Yeah.
season.
And how long is the monsoon season for?
It remains for next 2 to 3 weeks.
Oh, wow. And is it raining most of the time?
Yeah, most of the time, approximately
Oh,
every day.
so do you have to be careful if it floods?
Yeah, in some areas, Pakistan, in villages areas and in rural areas, there are lots of floods and there are lots of
Oh,
destruction
no.
as well. People face lots of, yeah. So some people, they lost their, houses, their luggages during flood. So it's very horrible.
Oh, they lose all their belongings.
Yeah, it is.
We had some very unusual weather because I'm in Spain at the moment. We had
Okay.
hailstones the size
Oh,
of golf clubs, golf
yeah.
balls. Yeah. So lots of
Oh,
car
okay.
windows got smashed and
Uh-huh.
lots of things got
Okay.
broken.
Yes, I've seen lots of videos on YouTube when there are lots of car broken. So yeah, it's also a very
Yeah,
horrible scene.
all the windows just glass. It's crazy. And
Okay.
what brings you onto Cambly?
Well, I wanna become fluent. I wanna get confidence while talking with native English people, especially with native English teachers. So I am boosting my
That's a good
confidence
idea.
actually.
Yeah. And are you going to be teaching in September in a school in Pakistan?
As far as in Pakistan teaching is concerned, actually, I'm not staying anymore in Pakistan. I think in September or in October, I will move toward other country. So that's why.
And where would you like to move to? Or where are you going to move to?
Okay. Do you know
Yes.
Saudi Arabia?
Only by name. I have
Okay.
never visited.
So, oh, okay. So, have you know any student from Saudi
I have
Arabia on
students from
Cambly?
Saudi Arabia.
Okay. So, by the way, how many countries have you been so far?
So I have visited Spain, Portugal, France, Canada,
Mm-hmm.
America,
Wow.
Iceland, England,
Oh,
Finland,
wow.
Belgium.
Mm-hmm.
I think
Oh,
that's it.
wow.
So I like traveling.
Oh, sounds good. Oh, yeah. Wow. It sounds good. I also like traveling, but it's very hard for Pakistanis to go out of the countries. There are lots of visa restrictions uh, regarding traveling. So yeah. Apart from this, my budget is also very tough. Very, so close. So So it's
Yeah.
also another
And
trouble.
is it difficult to just get a holiday visa?
Yeah, it's
Oh.
much expensive. In Pakistan nowadays there is a lot of inflation, so there are lots of financial problems are being faced by people. So, but as far as visiting is concerned, I do visit many places within country. I have visited lots of areas of Pakistan, northern areas, southern areas, and very historical places, mountain areas. So it becomes very
Yeah.
pleasurable thing for me.
For my geography, is Pakistan near
Mhm.
like India and Afghanistan? Or
Yeah, exactly. You are
okay.
absolutely right. Yeah, between yeah uh, in uh, in
Yeah.
east there is India. In west, in west Afghanistan. In and in south Arabian Sea.
Oh, okay, nice. Okay, cool. And
Yeah.
why have you chosen Saudi Arabia to try to work in?
Okay. Well, my elder brother, he has already been working there for last 5 years. So I think I will get much support if I.
Oh, that's good. And is your brother enjoying himself?
Yeah, he's living a lot of money.
Oh, so he's earning a lot of money. Oh, Malik. And what does your brother do in Saudi Arabia?
Well, he is doing a job of
Oh, sorry?
an accountant. He is an
Oh, an
accountant in
accountant.
yeah, he is accountant in a hotel.
Oh, very nice. Okay. And is he in the capital or is he in another big city?
Yeah, in capital in Al Riyadh.
Riyadh. Nice. Ah. There are lots of Irish teachers in Saudi Arabia.
Oh, so
Yeah.
are you asking me?
No, I'm saying I know there are lots of teachers from Ireland teaching in Saudi Arabia.
Okay, 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 cool.